All right, we're in downtown Bryan, and this is an old freight elevator here. I'm gonna take a still picture. Are you okay being on camera, sir?
Sure.
Or do you want to get him to get out? So it can be the whole.
And look who we got here.
Yeah.
We got James, which used to be Carmen 1744.
Yeah. And now BCS elevators and more.
Bryan / College Station elevator.
Yeah.
So let's take a cavity of this beauty. This is amazing. It's an old freight elevator. I wonder what brand this is. Oh my gosh, it's low light in here. All right, so let's get the flashlight on. Aha, now it's turned on. Let's take a cab view of this beauty. This is like a platform lift or something. You see up the shaft. Do you know what brand this is, sir? Anyone?
I have no idea.
No.
All right, so big thanks to this gentleman for allowing us in your building.
You want to go up it?
Yes, we do. I'm ready for it.
Okay, go for a ride.
Here we go. Where's the fixtures?
You just have a button right here.
Okay.
You just push up.
It's a dead man's control. You have to keep your finger on the button, right?
Yes.
No, it's on this side. Is it okay if I can take another trip after we go down?
Sure.
Watch a level. All right, you can take us back down. We got some chairs here. This is interesting. Here we're at the lobby level. We're gonna watch it level. Oh, it's kind of shaking. All right, is it okay if I could run the elevator and have you hold my camera?
Sure.
Big thanks to the nice gentleman, not only for letting me ride, but I'm gonna be running this thing. So with that said, let's take this thing up. Here we go. Oh. See, it's constant pressure. Hold the butt down, take your finger off, and stop. Down like that. All right, we're gonna take this thing all the way up. I'm gonna have to keep my pressure on the button. Here we go. All right, now we're gonna go back down and we'll end the video there. I'm gonna use this finger this time. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Give me a finger on the button.
I have to mash it down. There we go. So that was a ride on an amazing old elevator. There's your controls. Unfortunately, do not know what brand this is, unfortunately, but this right here is your cab view of this beauty. We got James.
Yeah, and I got JimLiElevators.
And thank you so much, sir, for
No
taking
problem.
us on this beauty.
Thank you.
You go ahead and open the door.
Okay.
And I'm gonna take some still photos after this video.
What'd you think of that?
It was awesome. I just want to take some big still photos right here. So let's get one last view of this beauty, and
Yeah, and I can't take a picture, y'all, because my camera's full.
we're
Or
gonna
my
take some still
phone's full.
pictures.
Isn't that terrible?